Welcome to a special edition of Takeaway Chinese. In this bite-sized episode, we focus on one Chinese word, making it quick and easy for you to learn and use. Let's get started.
The word we're learning today is 拆盒. 拆盒, unboxing. Here are two examples. 我喜欢看拆盒视频. I like watching unboxing videos. 我喜欢看拆盒视频。我喜欢看拆盒视频。这个拆盒过程很有趣。The unboxing process is fun. 这个拆盒过程很有趣。这个拆盒过程很有趣。拆盒 unboxing 你学会了吗？
If you enjoyed this extra segment and want to catch the video version, just search for Takeaway Chinese on Facebook or YouTube. We'd love to hear your thoughts, so drop us a comment and let us know how you like our new edition. See you next time.